Send kita kay Daddy. A is for apple. B is for ball. Ball. Next. Ikaw na kasi. Ikaw na. Next. Next. C. C is for cat. Cat. Next. Joaquin, what is next, Joaquin? What is the next letter? D. D is for dog. Oh, next. E is for elephant. Elephant. Next. F is for fish. Fish. Next. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. Next. K is for kayak. Kayak. Next.
Okay.
L is for lion. Lion. Next. M is for mouse. Mouse. Oh, next. What? N is for nose. Nose. Next. O is for owl. Owl. Next. P is for pig. Pig. Oh, so it's a P. Q is for queen. Queen. Next. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Sunod. S. S is for snake. Snake. Next. T is for taco. Taco. Next. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Next. V is for van. Van. Next. W. W is for watch. Watch. Oh, W. Next. X is for box. Box. Next. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Last. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Yeah.